Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, everybody. Today I would like to mention or explain about hobby. Hobby is an activity or interest doing by fun or someone enjoy to do it. And then talking about the my hobby is reciting Al-Quran or reading Al-Quran. Every day I always try to recite Al-Quran. For example, in the night, I usually read what is it? Al-Muluk Surah, and then Al-Waqi'ah Surah every night. And then in the morning, after subuh prayer, I always try to recite Al-Quran, although 4 letters. Actually, the family, I have habit election. I have habit one day one juice, because it is because it is my motto family, because it is my principle family. But now, because I have so many activities, I'm as a teacher, I'm as I'm as father from my children. Moreover, right now I have a small baby, so I can divide about my time to focus to reciting Al-Quran. So now in the morning, I just only recite or reading Al-Quran only 4 letters, not one day one use again. Why I would like to recite Al-Quran? There are so many advantage. Why if we recite Al-Quran. Number one is Al-Quran is the guidance for us. It is suitable with our seed in Al-Quran, Al-Baqarah surah, Dalikal kitabu la raiba fi hudal lil muttaqin. So Al-Quran can be the guidance for us as human being in our life, so that we we follow our prophet guidance, and we follow our the guidance from our guidance in Al-Quran. Moreover, we as human being, how to be good people, how to be good person in our school and in our neighbor, in a family. We can be good people or a good person. So we must make Al-Quran can be the guidance. Number two, the function of Al-Quran for us, that is suitable with our share again in Al-Quran. Ayyuhan nasu qad ja'atukum mau'izatum min rabbikum wa shifaa'un lima. So with this surah, it meant that Al-Quran can be medicine. Al-Quran can be medicine for us, for our heart. Maybe we have miserable, we have problem with the family, we have problem with our friend, we have problem with our student or our neighbor. So if there are so many obstacles or problem, we can try to overcome our problem with reciting Al-Quran. We can overcome our problem with try to understand about the meaning or the main purpose of Al-Quran itself. And then the third or number three, the advantage when we reciting Al-Quran, a source of knowledge. You know that there are so many scientists, teachers can understand about the meaningful or the meaningful of Al-Quran. So if we can understand about the main purpose of Al-Quran, it will increase our knowledge, it will increase our capability in the world. So for this case, we can say that there are so many advantage and meaningful when we understand and we know about the main purpose of Al-Quran. And the conclusion from this case, from this my explanation, you know that we have to try and to recite Al-Quran every day, because of why if we have good habit, if we have habitual action, it is positive for us. It will make our life can be happy. It will make our adventure in our life can suitable with the guidance of Allah and guidance of Muhammad prophets. I think like this. In Al-Quran, we not only study about knowledge, about science, about anything, about something important in Al-Quran, but we can learn about the history of the prophets of Allah, because there are so many histories are there. So Al-Quran is a good book for us. Al-Quran is good good guidance for us. And besides, I recite Al-Quran by myself. I ask my children in the night to learn Al-Quran correctly, and then in the afternoon I'm a teacher of TPQ, Taman Pendidikan Al-Quran. So I always learn, and then I always teach my student in TPQ to study, to increase about the ability about Al-Quran, about the capability, about their knowledge, especially about how to read Al-Quran correctly. Maybe only this that I can say for today about my hobby. I hope you can get my point. So I think enough. I will say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.